All right. Have a nice day, guys. So we are coming to question set 25. So this is the another part of question set 16. If you did my question set 16 one, you need to watch that before this. So I will show you that in my end screen. So now I'm coming to this question set 25. So we have to find average marks using AVG keyword. AVG keyword. So this is the new keyword on this video. So main purpose is to show you what is the AVG keyword, how we use AVG keyword to search detail. All right, guys. Let's go to the video. So find the average marks obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So we need to find the average marks in mathematics subject. We have a specified term name, that is first term, and also mathematics subject we have a specified subject name, and now we need to find the average marks. Okay, now I'm going to my hide SQL. So I'm using select AVG. So using this AVG keyword, we can find average marks of a student. Student exam mark record table. And now we need to get the mark table and close the bracket. And I'm renaming my column name as average marks. So using as keyword and like that. And now I need to get that from student exam mark record table. And okay, now we are using join keyword. So join and exam term on student exam mark record table. And now I need to get the foreign key of exam term. So exam term ID that equals to exam term table. Yeah, exam term table and exam term ID. Term ID. And also we need to join the subject because we have a specified subject to find. So subject onto student exam mark record table dot subject ID, and it equals to subject table dot subject ID. That's a primary key. All right, now we need to find the where we need to find the subject name and term name, exact term name. So now I'm using where clause to find the subject and get the subject table dot subject name equals to mathematics. Find next line. We have another condition, so using AND operation and exam term dot exam term name, and it equals to first name, first term. First term. Okay. End of the query we use semicolon. So we use semicolon. All right, let's execute that. And we have average mark like 71.845. Yeah, this is the average mark of a student who get marks for mathematics subject in first term. So find the average mark obtained in the first term mathematics subjects from all the students. So we get all the student marks, and now we get average marks. All right. Now you can see the query, and this is the answer we can get from that above query. All right, guys. Now we are going to second question. So find the average obtained in the second term single subject. Yeah, it's really easy because we need to change that subject name to Sinhala language and literature, and also we need to second term. Okay, executing the query. Let me double check. Yeah, second term single subject. So we have 87.8875. So this is the average mark of a single subject in second term. All right. All right, guys. We are coming to third question. Find the average of marks obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe, student in the all subject in the examination held on 2020 July 10th. All right. Now we have three more conditions. Yeah, we have student first name and student last name, and also we have examination date, exact examination date. We don't have any exact examination term name. We have only examination date. All right, we can find this. So I'm marks of Sachitra, I think Sachitra, that's a Gmail one here. All right, Sachitra. And now I can get from student exam mark record table, and inner join we use exam term to student exam mark record table, and subject table we join that. Now we need to join student table to student exam mark record table. So I'm using join student on student exam mark record table. Now I can get the foreign key index number, and it equals to student dot index number. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have three more conditions. So now first we can get student first name. Student first name. Okay, Sachitra, and we can get the last name of the student. We have exact examination date. So using AND operation and exam term, we can get the exam date from exam term table. Exam date that equals to 2020 and July 10th. Okay. All right. Now our query is okay. So we want to use what we want to use semicolon at the end of the query. And now let's execute that. Yeah, we can have this 63.09. So this is the average mark of Sachitra Vikramasinghe. All right, now you can see how I can get the average mark using this query. So we have three conditions here: student first name, last name, and exact exam date. All right, I use that three condition and get that answer. All right, we are coming to yeah, we are coming to last question of this question set. So this question set is also really nice and it's easy. So arrange the mark obtained by all students of the class 11A in the first term in ascending order. So we need to arrange the result in ascending order. So I go to question again. Arrange the marks obtained by all the students. So we have to get all the student marks. Class is 11A. So term is first term. We have three conditions here, and we need to arrange them to ascending order. All right. Now we need to get the all details students, all details of the students, and I want to write the query. One, so select. I need to get the student index number. All right. Now I get the details of all. Now I get the all details of the students. Yeah. So now I need to get those details from student exam mark record table, and I need to join the student table on student exam mark record table, and also I need to join class table, exam term table, and subject table onto student exam mark record table. Now I am fast forwarding this. You know how to connect them using join keyword. So you can see what I can do. So I am a little bit fast forwarding this. All right, now I did that. So I joined the student table, class table, exam table, and subject table. Now they are in same table. All right, now I need to find the class name, where I use where clause to get that, and class table, and use dot operation to get the column name, class name, and it equals to 11a. So 11a, and another condition we have switch by term name. So exam term, exam term equal to first term, ordered by student exam of record table column, and now we need to order it to ascending order, and use semicolon at the end of the query. So let's execute that and see our query is okay. So now we can have our, yeah, we can have this. So we don't need class name also. We don't need class name because we have a specific class name. Class name is also 11a. So we only need marks and subject names and last name, first names, and index numbers. Right. Now I get that. So this is the answer we can get from this query, this above query. And this is the whole query we write. Okay, now I think you can pretty much understand about question set 25. So this is the end of question set 25. All right, I don't waste your time anymore. So I think you can understand what I'm writing using this average keyword and also ascending order. We did that in my previous video also. So now I think you can understand these four queries. All right. So I'm going to wind up my video now. So I will catch you guys in my 26th video. So we are coming to the coming to the end of this exam mark database queries. So I think in the 13th video we can get the 13th video in near future. So in the 13th video, this exam mark database query writing is over. So we have a new question at question set 20, question set 31. So we have 5 more question set to do. All right, guys. I will catch you in my next video. That is question set 26. So take it easy.